In this video, you'll learn how to withdraw funds from Binance to another exchange. By following these steps, you will successfully transfer your assets, whether they're cryptocurrencies or fiat, to your desired destination. Begin by navigating to the Binance website and signing in to your account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, locate the wallet section, which is usually found on the top navigation bar. Click on the wallet option to proceed further. After that, you will see a drop-down menu from which you should select the withdraw option. This action will direct you to the withdrawal interface, where you can start the process of transferring your funds. Next, you will need to decide whether you are withdrawing cryptocurrency or fiat currency. Select the specific asset you wish to withdraw from the list provided. If you are withdrawing fiat, ensure that your bank account details are ready. It is important to verify that withdrawal services are enabled on your account to avoid any interruptions during the process. This selection is crucial as it determines the type of withdrawal you will be making. Once you've chosen your asset, enter the recipient address if you are transferring crypto or the necessary bank details for fiat withdrawals. Make sure to double check the recipient address to avoid any loss of funds. Then select the appropriate network for the withdrawal. Each cryptocurrency may have different networks available, and choosing the wrong one could lead to complications. After this, input the amount you wish to withdraw and take a moment to review the associated fees and limits displayed on the screen. Confirm that everything appears correct before you proceed. After entering all necessary details, you will need to complete a security verification step to ensure the safety of your funds. This might involve entering a code sent to your email or phone, or using two-factor authentication if it is enabled on your account. Following this, wait for the processing of your withdrawal request. The system may display a loading indicator or a confirmation message indicating that your request is being processed. It is advisable to monitor your withdrawal history to track the status of your transaction. Once you receive confirmation that your withdrawal has been processed, save any confirmation details for your records. If you experience any issues during this process, do not hesitate to contact Binance support for assistance. This step ensures that your withdrawal is completed securely and efficiently, allowing you to successfully transfer your funds to another exchange. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.